Hey, what's up YouTube? Doing a quick video here installing some side view mirror LED lights here. See them there? And these have the sequential function or just static like a regular side view mirror would blink. I'm going to do the sequential function on this one. But to take off the door panel, since I'm going to hook up the sequential function, or at least the DRL I should say, there's like a blue wire that comes off the harness on the actual light, and I have it run through here. Pull the wire out just so you guys can see it. Yeah, so this wire comes off the harness to the LED light. You have to run it along the harness from the mirror, so it doesn't obviously interfere with the window when it comes up and down. So just run it along here, and then you'll take it along the wiring harness to the window switch harness, and you're going to power it with the green wire here, which is the 4th pin on the window switch. So that's how you'll hook that up. I just ran a small wire here. I'm going to solder the connections once I run this blue wire down through the harness. It's not long enough, so you'll have to extend the length of it. But yeah, after that, it should be pretty straightforward. Just solder the connections, follow the directions for the actual light up there, so positive, negative, and then whatever function you want with the green and black wire. And yeah, it should work perfectly, but I see a lot of videos on YouTube that don't highlight kind of this portion of it, but that's how you do it. Just run it. I took off the side view mirror through the 3 10mm bolts here, pushed it out, and then I was able to kind of snake it down through here. Pulled this panel off. The 10mm bolt kind of goes right there. There's the bolt to that one, and then the wire kind of tucks in here, so it's not dangling everywhere. But yeah, and then to take off the door panel, obviously there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pop clips. You'll raise it up. You can undo the door handle connectors there. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And then undo the 2 connectors to the window switch and the I forget what it is, the door lock mechanism. Yeah. And then this little LED bulb obviously hangs down here. Just pop that off and the door panel will come off. And you can kind of see it back there. Yeah. So, alright, I'll end it there just so people know how to install kind of that last blue wire. Just want to highlight that. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Peace.